1,400 years ago, long before Europeans explored North America, a group of people known as the Anasazi made what is now Mesa Verde National Park their home. For more than 700 years, they and their descendants flourished here, building elaborate stone communities in the sheltered alcoves of canyon walls. Then, in the late 1200s, within a generation or two, they moved away for reasons that are still a mystery to this day. Despite decades of excavation, analysis, classification, and comparison, little is known of these people. Yet, for all their silence, these structures speak with a certain eloquence. They tell of a people adept at building, artistic in their crafts, and skillful at making a living from difficult land.
From Mesa Verde, you're watching Colorado.
We stood in awe of these structures and wondered what life must have been like during these times.